China got Hong Kong back from the Brits in 1997. Hong Kong had never known anything remotely close to democracy under the Brits. It was an empire. There was a colonial empire and a fairly brutal one. And the idea that we have the right to lecture China about what's going on in Hong Kong. Who in God's name are we to be lecturing anybody? Why don't we actually sort out things in our own place? We're so fond of interfering in other people's business. We were in China for 10 days and we didn't go on an official mission in April. You know what? And it was such an impressive country and such an impressive people. You know what? We should learn to be a bit more tolerant of other cultures and other nations and stop being judgmental and thinking that we're the only ones with values.